responsible. So with a quorum of members present and the posted time having arrived, I'll call the Public Health and Safety Committee special meeting for Wednesday, September 8th, 2021 to order. We have one item on our agenda for tonight, which is to consider the special event application for La Fiesta in Wausau, September 18th, 2021 at Brockmeyer Park. The event is proposed by the American Hispanic Association.
And Tony Gonzalez is here.
Yep, and the organizer is with us if you have questions for him this evening. This event came up in between our normal meetings, and the event takes place before our September meeting. So we've decided that we would convene tonight and see if we can get their event permit approved so that they can carry forward then on the 18th. We also have Marcus from the Park Department on WebEx if you have questions for him. And let me just switch to the meeting packet. It looks like through the Evolve system, you received the email this afternoon. All of the city departments have reviewed the application and indicated approval. There was a couple of conditions on Park Department approval. They were waiting yet on certificate of insurance for the event and a couple of parking, I think, to clarify the parking situation between the Park Department and the organizers. But other than that, it looked like there were just details that the staff could work out with the organizers. So welcome, Mr. Gonzalez.
Thank you very much.
You want to talk to us about your event a little bit?
Well, this came about rather quick and because of the circumstances with COVID. So we're doing a vaccine clinic there too. So because of the work we've been doing, these funds came to have an event, and that's why it came so quick. Mm-hmm. Definitely learned that for next year, we're going to start next week. Because it's been really tough, but everybody's help here has been amazing. Regarding the three concerns, so I just actually emailed Marcus the connection with Incredible Bank, and they're taking care of the insurance at for the amounts that they request.
Okay.
So that will be done. They just had a couple of the questions and everything, but that is completed. As far as the parking, I talked and already have an agreement with the people over at Sure Dry. That's on Stewart Avenue, right across the street from Brockmeyer Park.
Okay.
That has room for another 120 cars that can be there. And I'm also contacting from the emergency police transit group. I got his number right here, and they should be able. They said that they'll be able to help us guide the traffic.
Okay.
And you know, we don't
Sure.
expect it to be no big traffic block or anything like that.
Okay.
Hopefully, we'll get a lot of people. Like I was telling Mary, you know, I go to sleep worried that there's not going to be enough people, and then I wake up thinking there's going to be too many. So I don't know until this happens, being that it's a first event, but I'm very excited
Sure.
about it, and I think, and I'm very happy about the fact that I know that this is going to be a really good thing for our city of Wausau.
Okay.
And the third concern had to do with, we had insurance, the parking, and
We have Marcus on WebEx. Marcus, what was your third concern for your contingency?
Yeah, Tony and I chatted here, would have been earlier today. I think the power was the last major note that we had spoken about in terms of making sure we can provide adequate services for what he needs. And
Okay.
From his tentative conversation here, would have been today, I think we're going to be okay and be able to supply that.
Perfect.
So.
yes, and I did talk to Marcus earlier about that, and it appears that everybody's just going to need regular 110, 20 amp power, so
Okay,
we should be
perfect.
okay right there.
All right, committee members, any questions for Mr. Gonzalez at all? If not, is there a motion to approve the permit for his event? Motion by Wadinsky, second by Herbst. Further discussion or questions? Seeing none, members in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? None are opposed. That motion carries. So thank you.
Thank you very much. I'll
Yep.
leave a poster and hope everybody's out there.
Well, thank you for coming down and
Thank
good luck
you.
with the event.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the only item on our agenda, so I'll entertain a motion to adjourn. Motion by Peckham, second by Wadinsky. Members in favor signify by saying aye. Aye. Opposed? Nobody ever is. We'll stand adjourned, and then the committee of the whole will begin in this chamber at 6:30. So we'll just give public access, a second to reset, and then that meeting will be underway.